Today we have landed at Newton Softwares Private Limited.
The software has a capability of giving those quantities in flat 1 or 2 days. If we talk about manually, it is taking to more than 10 to 15 days.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Oh my God.
So we are reducing that time gap. Plus, accuracy is a major concern. And place it in this column, place it in this beam.
Okay.
And if the remaining part, he can utilize it somewhere.
Okay.
So that utilization, waste optimization is also we are giving. And that is where builders are getting a benefit. CAD, AutoCAD is where we are giving by default. ZWCAD is what we have created.
Okay.
And now we are working on BridgeCAD as well. Just take a demo drawing and we show them the software and then you can use it on your drawing.
Okay.
That is not the case which we do.
Hello friends, my name is Ashish Sato. As you know that we are conducting a series of interviews with the various add-on developers or the software developers, companies. Because of that, the productivity of various engineering firms are getting enhanced. So in the same series, today we have landed at Newton Softwares Private Limited with Mr. Kimir Mahajan sir. Good morning sir. Newton Softwares Private Limited is developing the various plugins and the softwares more than last 10 plus years, and these softwares has been utilized by civil industry most. So let's deep dive into these sessions and we can check it out with Kimir sir. What are their plugins, how they are using, what are the companies those are using their plugins, and we can know more about their company. So sir, please let us know about yourself and about the company as well.
So my name is Kimir Mahajan and I am Executive Director in Newton Software Private Limited. And we are a company from 2005. We are into this segment, mainly catering to all the civil industry, creating plugins for CAD. And all these plugins are created for construction, like building industry, and they are using our products basically. Most of the companies are using our products. We are getting a good response. We are updating it.
Okay.
Yes.
So what inspired you sir basically in order to or the company basically to develop such kind of plugins, or what is the main motivating factor for this?
Mainly the thing was that if we talk about estimation as a role estimation plays in the construction industry, that was a very important. It plays a very important role, and that thing was done manually.
Okay.
Right now, when we had researched about it, it was done manually using Excel or using all those manual methods.
Okay.
And we thought that such important topic should be enhanced or should be automated using software.
Okay.
And that was the main plus point where we actually deep dived into this detailing of how to do bar bending schedules or the concrete quantities, all those quantities, and we created this.
What is the problem, as you have mentioned that because initially we were doing it manually? So
Right.
what are the problems that now you are solving for the industry in this by your plugins?
So majorly the thing, if we talk about issues which are faced, like mainly we are catering to the estimation segment.
Okay.
Whenever a builder or a developer is planning to build a building, the thing is that he needs to know what is the entire budget of the building.
Right.
So whenever an architect or a consultant, RCC consultant creates the drawings of the working drawings and RCC drawings, the software is has a capability of giving those quantities in flat 1 or 2 days.
Okay.
That cycle, if we talk about manually,
Okay.
it is taking to more than 10 to 15 days.
Oh, okay.
Right.
Oh my God.
So we are reducing that time gap. Plus, accuracy is a major concern.
Right.
So we are giving accurate quantities, plus at a lesser point of time.
Okay.
And there is no special talent required. All the civil engineers who are basic civil engineers, they can use the software.
Okay.
So that is the main area where we are solving the issue. So a builder or a developer knows his budget.
Right. Okay.
From, you can say, day 1, day 2.
Oh my God.
Whenever
Okay.
he gets the drawings.
Okay. So basically, initially it was used to take 10 days of time. Now
Yes.
the company builders and all, they can get their complete estimation of their entire project within a day or two.
Yes.
So that kind of automation that
Yes.
you are providing.
Yes.
So now we are curious, sir, in order to know more about what are the products that you have. As you have mentioned, one of the
Right.
product is
Yes,
estimation. So
yes.
can you just explain us what are the
Yeah.
different products
So
you have?
mainly we have 3 products which we are giving as a CAD plugin. So first is AutoScan. then
Okay.
Auto Steel, and then PC Architect. These are the products which we give to the all the customers.
Mhm.
In which PC Architect is the product which we are giving to the architects.
Mhm.
So in architects also we are solving a very good issue they are facing, like drafting is the issue, or
Right.
maybe drafting center lines is a major issue for them,
Mhm.
because if there are more than 100 columns or 200 columns,
Mhm.
then marking each and every center line, that
Okay.
is a very tedious job for any
Okay.
architect. So what we are doing here is basically automating it by just
Mhm.
clicking on the drawing, just 2 seconds, and the software will generate any center lines for all the columns.
Okay.
Then we are
Great.
doing area calculations. We are giving sections in PC Architect.
Okay.
So that is the architect tool.
Architect.
Then we have AutoScan and AutoStick. These two softwares are basically helping in estimation.
Okay.
So AutoScan will scan the working drawings of
Okay.
all the architectural drawings,
Mhm.
and it will generate the quantity of finishing, like plaster, paint, flooring, skirting, dado, masonry,
Okay.
all those quantities which are required for finishing.
Okay.
That is done by AutoScan.
Okay.
And then AutoSteel comes, which helps in generating the quantities like bar bending schedule, concrete quantity, shuttering. All those quantities can be generated by AutoSteel.
Okay.
It works on RCC drawings.
Okay.
So these are the softwares which we are giving to the construction industry.
Okay.
We have launched one more software,
Okay.
like about to learn, that we call it as Alu Draft.
Okay.
So it helps, like right now every high-rise building they are using MyVan structures.
Right.
So for the manufacturing of MyVan, we have created a software
Okay.
which helps, like they have a shell plan,
Okay.
like a working drawing.
Mhm.
So every manufacturer will have to draw the panel, think
Mhm.
about the size,
Okay.
optimally think about the size, and then they have to put the sizes on the drawing.
Mhm.
It takes lot of time.
Lot of. Right.
What we are doing is just selecting the wall and everything. The panels are put by our software by default.
Oh my God.
So
Okay. So
that is also helping that industry as well. So
oh,
these are the plugins which we are providing.
okay. So, sir, what I understood that there are four plugins you have. One is
Yeah.
PC Architect, AutoScan, AutoSteel, and
Aluta.
AluDraft. So,
Yes.
if a company, if an architect is there or the civil industry, those who are requiring for the automation of their center line, they can use PC Architect.
PC Architect.
For AutoScan and AutoSteel for the builders and also they can get a complete estimation of their product
Products.
with all the quantities basically. What is
Right.
most important, that is the paint and all also get calculated
Yes.
as you have mentioned. So that
Paint
is
and
very
everything is calculated. The
calculated.
PBS is calculated.
Okay.
PBS itself takes 10 days.
Oh my God.
And if we talk about if 100% is my budget, in that 60 to 70% is steel and concrete.
Okay.
That quantity. So it helps in reducing that as well. We are helping in reducing the wastages as well.
Okay.
In Auto
Right.
Steel, we have
Mhm.
an optimizer there.
Okay.
So the software, whatever the software has calculated. Now the point comes that whenever the software has calculated the seal, it has to be implemented at the site as well.
Right.
Right. So what we give is a cut and bend steel report,
Mhm.
where in that the software tells you that okay, this is a 12-meter bar.
Mm-hmm.
If you cut it like this and place it in this column, place it in this beam,
Okay.
and if the remaining part he can utilize it somewhere.
Okay.
So that utilization, waste optimization is also we are giving, and that is where builders are getting a benefit.
Benefit on. Yeah, so actually the optimization is the key area when it comes to the civil industry or
Civil
any type
industry.
of industry. Basically, we have to use
Right.
all the things what we have in a optimized way. So, sir, all these four softwares are there. These are the plugins or add-ons. So, we would like to know that because there are like various CAD tools are available in the market.
Correct.
So,
Correct.
on which CAD platforms basically these softwares are get worked or used?
So like up till now, majorly we were working on AutoCAD.
Okay.
So the plugin works fantastically on AutoCAD,
Okay.
and every version of AutoCAD we are creating a plugin.
Okay.
We have now developed with the WCAD as well,
Okay.
and
Okay.
plus we are trying to develop it on BricsCAD as well.
Okay. So all the three softwares, though
We are
leading,
trying
that
to
means
keep
you
it
will-
CAD independent basically.
yeah. Right.
That is our motto. So
Right.
CAD is the primary. So AutoCAD is where we are giving
Right.
by default. Then WCAD is what we have created,
Okay.
and now we are working on BricsCAD as well.
Oh, great, sir. So, sir, nowadays, now you know that the software industry working on the two types of models. One is the
Right.
subscription-based model. One is the perpetual-based
Perpetual
model.
model, right.
So, what that means your add-ons or how your company's vision of it?
So
Which type of software that That means you are selling the subscription base or the perpetual?
We are by default selling it as perpetual.
Okay.
Okay, and
Okay.
we have a AMC after 1 year.
Mm-hmm.
But the thing is that we are trying to go to the subscription mode as well.
Okay.
Not yet launch a model on that, but
Mm-hmm.
maybe in future we will launch something like that.
Okay. So basically, sir, while using this particular plugins, what are the benefits, or can you able to share how the customers are get benefited
Yeah.
using? You have any case study to share with us?
Yeah, so if we talk about our customers, the major customers are major builders and developers in Pune. They are already using it.
Okay.
Right. For example, we have Rohan, Kolje Patel. These
Okay.
people are all these type of builders are already using it.
Okay.
And we have good testimonials from them. We have a testimonial from Marathon LD in Mumbai as well.
Okay.
They are also using our product. So their testimonial was that water estimation which the software is giving,
Mm-hmm.
that estimation they are directly implementing it at site,
Okay.
and they are saving it around 1 to 1.5% is what they are saving in
Oh.
the steel as well. So that is the testimonial which they have given us. So this is where we are majorly helping builders to get to know that what is their major budget,
Mm-hmm.
and according to that they can plan their finances and everything.
Okay.
So that is where they are getting the ROI also.
Right.
In that.
So my next question was that only.
Yeah.
Basically, when any of a customers put some money with the software, so
Right.
how is the ROI basically for them? How soon they can recover? As you said that 1.5 times they have reduced. That means the cost has been
Yeah.
saved for that.
So basically, the thing is that whenever we are selling the product,
Mhm.
we train the customers basis on to their engineers. So
Mhm.
whenever we train the engineers, we train them on their own drawings. So
Okay.
it is not that just take a demo drawing and we show them the software and then you can use it on your drawing.
Okay.
That is not the case which we do.
Okay.
We do train them on their own drawing. So
Mhm.
that 6-7 sessions, they generate the estimate.
Okay.
Once they generate the estimate, their ROI starts coming basically.
Okay.
That is the way we look at it.
Okay, fine. Great, sir. Great. So, as you said, you are training to their engineers with your plugins. So, how easy, from the technical aspects, I'm asking it, is easy the translation of the existing system to their
Yes.
engineers?
So-
Is they accommodate easily?
Basically,
How-
the thing is that if he is a civil engineer,
Mhm.
which normally all the civil engineers they pass out and they work on the estimation part,
Right.
he should have a basic knowledge of CAD basically.
Okay.
Just what is a polyline
Mhm.
and some basic commands, copy and that command also we can teach them.
Okay.
And by 3 to 4 sittings, he can basically get trained
Get
on
it.
the software. It is very easy.
Okay.
It just has to have a knowledge of basic civil,
Okay.
water columns, water beams,
Okay.
what is a BBS. That basic knowledge he should have. Then he can automatically generate. So 4 to 5 sessions. Max to
Okay.
max. But that also 3 hours.
Okay, fine. So integration with respect to the existing system, it will be very easy. And for
Yeah.
civil engineers or the engineers who are having some knowledge of CAD, it will be very easy for them
Very
in order
easy
to
for them.
translate.
We
from-
are we are basically giving it to colleges as well.
Okay.
So there
great.
are colleges like Symbiosis. We have
Mhm.
given to Symbiosis, MIT, COEP,
Okay.
Sardar Patel. All these colleges are there.
Mhm.
Bharati Vidyapit,
Okay.
where we have started already training people. Like,
Okay.
the colleges students also we have started training them.
Okay.
We have taken sessions. We have given certificates to those students,
Okay.
and they are coming industry ready. The plan
Okay.
is that whenever a civil guy comes, a civil
Mhm.
engineer comes in the market, manual estimation is something where he will have like the builder will ask him that which tool are you using.
Right.
Okay, so he will come equipped with our tool.
Okay.
That is the plan which we
Right.
are working on.
Yeah, because we have what I'll say in this regard. Basically, you are making the new generations future ready with the
Right.
tool and with the
With
technology.
the technology.
Right.
Yes,
Exactly.
that is the plan.
Yeah. And is there any special hardware type of requirement for the companies, those who are using?
No, if the CAD is working,
Okay.
if their drawings are opening in the same CAD, we
Mhm.
don't have any specific requirement for hardware or something. On the
Okay.
same CAD, it will work.
Okay, fine. So that's there is no special requirement
no
as
special.
compared to hardware,
Yes.
basically. And how soon that means you are updating the products, and what about the releases that you have?
So the thing is that releases normally in a year we have 2 to 3 releases
Okay.
which we do. It depends upon these are the major updates.
Hmm.
Then we have a small updates where if we transform something, like in some cases we are using AI as well.
Okay.
Then there are some changes, like construction technology is also getting changed. Like
Right.
initially
Okay.
there were no shear walls. Now there are shear
Share
walls, there
walls.
are structural walls,
Hmm.
there are raft and everything is there. So if a new technology is coming in this segment, we are updating it and we
Okay.
are giving it to the customer.
Okay. Great. That
Right.
was great to hear that you
Yes.
are also using AI tools for updating the
We are
softwares and all.
planning to incorporate it more.
Okay. That's great.
That is the
That's great.
plan.
So actually, what all the softwares and plugins that we sell basically? So what kind of support that you are offering to the end customers?
Yeah, so basically, firstly, training is the major part which we take care of.
Mm-hmm.
We have a team of civil engineers in house. So we also take civil engineers, we
Okay.
train them, and those civil engineers are training our customers.
Okay.
That is the main thing. We have not kept any IT individual who
Okay.
doesn't know anything about construction and then he is teaching to a civil
Okay.
engineer. That we have not done.
Mhm.
We have a team of civil engineers who are training. Plus, we have a online support.
Okay.
So working hours 10 to 7. Online support will is taken care of by my entire team. You can just call on our line,
Okay.
and they will take you online. They'll ensure that your software is working perfectly, and
Okay.
whatever issues they have, that will be resolved by the team. Yeah.
So while moving, this will be my last questions to you basically. So what, because you are there in industry and you are providing these innovative tools to the industry.
Right.
So what you advise to the industry people, those having such kind of problems basically, what you tell to them?
Basically, the what we are trying to like put forth a message to all the builders or maybe the developers or maybe contractors as well. The thing is that what we feel is that estimation plays a very important role in the entire construction industry.
Right.
And we feel that if that estimate is correct, then only the if we talk about the profits or the margins, that also helps if we are doing a perfect estimate in the
Right.
software.
Okay.
Right. So what we feel is that if you are using a tool like us, what we provide, it is definitely it brings in confidence as well. It brings in a like sense of control. That okay, I have this kind of a budget, and if the budget is going haywire, I am going to know it upfront.
All right. Okay.
Because there are some cases where people have created a budget and they have utilized that budget, and the building is yet to construct halfway.
Okay.
So if that is the case, then estimation is very important, because I have X amount of budget, and I'm after the end of the building, I'm getting that it is X into 10. Then
yeah.
then I am in basically in loss.
Right.
So that is what I want to convey a message to the our customers or maybe future customers, that you should have estimation in place.
Right.
You should have estimation as a central role. At least one guy or two guys who can do estimation for you, where you will get to know once the drawing comes, you will get to know in a very easy way, and plus time less time consumed. You will get to know that this is my budget, this is what I am going to get, and it will help you in billing as well and everything else.
Right.
So that is what I feel that customers should do.
Right, estimation plays very important role. Likewise, in our day to day also, we know that our homemaker basically who makes the estimate for
Right.
monthly budgets
Monthly
and
budgets
all.
as well.
So similarly, for the bigger industries and in civil industry, it is very much
Very much
important,
important.
that
Yes.
if a percentage of 1% is makes a very big difference,
Big difference.
in a big project. So estimation plays very important role. So on this regard, we come to an end for this particular session for the add-on software. Today we have visited Newton Softwares Private Limited. So they were having the plugins that has been sit on the various CAD tools like AutoCAD, ZWCAD, and BricsCAD, and few more. I guess they are in
Yes.
the lineup. So if you would like to improve your productivity, if you want to save your time, if you want to make some more margins for your projects, then you can use such kind of plugins. Those are readily available and it has been proven over a decade. So we are going to put the demo link, or if you are looking for the demonstration of the product, we are putting a description link in the chat box, where you can click on these links and fill up your details. So the team from Newton Software will directly come in touch with you, and they will give you the relevant details as you ask for. So you can like our video and comment and share within your network. Thank you.